Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to install and set up the application for your speaker SOUNDCORE Motion 300. You have to start by open Play Store and now go to the search at the bottom. After that, click at the search line at the top and write SOUNDCORE. Now search, and you should install this application what called SOUNDCORE. Now open it, click agree and continue. Right here you can log in into your account or you can create a new one. It's up to you, you can click sign up. At the right top you can select a region and at the left top you can skip it. So I'm going to skip it, I don't want to enter my account. If you need notification, click allow. If you don't need, click do not allow. Then click at device and allow. And we did it. In the next video we'll show you how to add your speaker to the application. So if you don't know how, you can watch that video. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!